In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop video in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you've ever needed to change the framing of a video or focus on a particular part of the footage, cropping is the perfect tool for the job. So, let's dive right into it and break down the steps to enhance your video editing experience. First, you'll want to open Adobe Premiere Pro and find your way to the Effects panel. This panel acts as a toolbox, and it might feel a bit overwhelming at first with all the options available, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Once you're in the Effects panel, look closely at the top and you'll see a search bar. This is particularly useful when navigating through various features and tools. Click on this search bar and type in the word crop. It's a straightforward way to locate the cropping effect without having to scroll endlessly through the list of effects. With the crop effect now on your screen, direct your attention to the transform folder that appears. Within this folder, you'll find the crop effect waiting for you. Go ahead and double-click it. This action applies the crop effect to your selected video clip. It's a really neat feature because it allows you to make modifications swiftly, especially if you're editing a project with tight deadlines. Now that the crop effect is applied, it's time to get creative. You'll notice controls appear on your Effect Controls panel, corresponding to the areas you can adjust: top, bottom, left, and right. By clicking and dragging these values, you can decide exactly how much of the video you want to trim away. If you look at the preview window, you'll see the changes happening in real time as you move the sliders. This immediate feedback is essential in getting the cropping just right without guessing. As you experiment with the crop adjustments, consider the composition you're aiming for. Whether you want to zoom in on the action, eliminate unnecessary parts of the frame, or create an artistic effect, cropping gives you that flexibility. And there you have it, a freshly cropped video to your liking. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you feel more confident in using Adobe Premiere Pro to crop your videos. Cropping is a simple yet powerful tool, and mastering it can notably enhance the quality of your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.